Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to try to clean up these chrome 5-spoke Chevy wheels, and as you can see on this one, pretty good amount of corrosion and dirt on here. So I really don't know what the condition of the chrome is and what it's like. I'm going to guess that was one of the fronts. As you can see, same thing here, pretty dirty. And we got the other two over here. A lot better on these two, so I'm assuming these were on the rear. A lot of brake dust and stuff gets on here, and if you don't clean it, it stays on there pretty good and kind of hardens up. So from what I've researched, clean up chrome, a lot of people say find steel wool pads. Unfortunately, I couldn't just find normal steel wool pads and it's to find stuff, but this has soap in it, so maybe it'll work just the same, and maybe the soap will actually help clean it as well. So that's why I have some water, and then after, if that works out and cleans it up really good, and the chrome itself is pretty clean, something that a lot of people do to polish up this chrome is this mother's aluminum polish. Now on the back it does say that it's not meant for chrome or gold, chrome or gold plating. So I don't know. We'll see how that works. So that's what I wanted to make this video on. If I can clean these up and I could share this out there, and if this will help someone in the future, that'd be great. So let me get started. I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these pads out, soak in some water, and slightly just rub on this really gently. I'm not gonna film that just because I don't think you guys care. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started, and then we'll see how far I get with this one wheel, and then I'll show you what the results are afterwards. Alright guys, I just finished with the steel wool, and it turned out a lot better than I thought. So as you can see, this is pretty much what it looked like before. A lot of brake dust, dirt, all kinds of stuff on here, and this is what it looks like afterwards. And so not super clear, but I'm hoping that polish will clear it up a little bit, make it look even better. But I mean, as it sits, as a comparison, I mean, look how much clearer that looks. I mean, I could not even do nothing with this. I mean, it looks almost brand new. It's just cleaned up really nice, and I'm really happy about that. Some of the harder parts were like the edge up here, around here and stuff, and then where outside these spokes right here and these grooves were needed a little bit more scrubbing. But you can see with chrome, you've got some pitting and stuff that just happens from the age and stuff, but look how clear that is. So now I'm going to go ahead and dry it off, use this polish, and then I'll see how much it actually clears it up, and see if it's worth it, or if that polish actually works. But steel wool just by itself works great, as you can see. Now if your chrome is flaking off or it's chipping, obviously this isn't going to fix it. That your chrome's damaged, but being with the age of these wheels I was worried about it having chipping or problems with the chrome, and when I was cleaning it, I was worried that maybe parts of it was going to just start flaking off, but not a single piece. So I'm really happy so far. Let me go ahead and use this polish real quick, and we'll see what the final results are. Alright guys, I just finished doing the polish with the microfiber. Now I would recommend use power tools because this is going to wear your shoulder out, but as you can see, this is what it looks like after doing that. See if I can get some better lighting here for you guys. It cleared it up. It might have cleared it up even more if I had power tools, but you know, it just takes a little longer and some patience. And as you can see, you know, reflection, really good. So I'm really happy how this turned out, guys. Unfortunately, I got 3 more to do, but like I said, this one and this one were the worst, so they're gonna clean up really good. And for the center caps, I'm just gonna use this polish again by hand and just kind of go over it, clean them, dry them off, use the polish, because the center caps aren't really bad. That's plastic. I don't know if it really matters, but the steel wool, I mean, should be okay. So when you're using steel wool, just go really lightly with it, depending on the condition of your chrome wheels. They did not scratch the chrome at all, and they cleaned them up really good. And then the polish worked really well, and I'm really happy the way it turned out. I'm getting new tires anyway, so I don't really care about these. So yeah, that's it, guys. How to clean and restore your chrome wheels, your factory chrome wheels. This probably will apply to really all chrome wheels. I really liked the way this turned out. Like I said, if you get real close, you know, the condition of the wheel isn't perfect. There are problems and stuff, but I mean, look at that. I don't think you guys would know whether that's a new wheel or I just cleaned that from looking like that. I mean, that's really insane. I'm really excited. It's gonna look good on the Tahoe. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I use these. I don't know if you can get regular ones. I couldn't find just normal ones without soap at Walmart, so I just got these. So it's really soapy. Sometimes it's definitely hard to see when this gets real soaked up. So you can soak those in water and like run a hose through them or whatever and get all the soap out, because you really don't need the soap. But I did like the fact that it was kind of soapy because it did help clean the wheel. Like I said, this say about $3 or so at Walmart, and this I believe is like $6 something, almost $7. So really for $10 you can do this, and you got plenty of this. You don't need a whole lot of this. This can last you a lot of wheels to clean and stuff. And yeah, $10 you can get your old factory chrome wheels looking basically new again. Really happy the way it looks. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I did have a blast making this wheel look better. Like the video if this really helped you. I hope it does, and with some time and some patience you guys can make your wheels look really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.